Hey, you know what your future looks like? Hey, Richard Blackstone here with today's Create One Love Note, and we're going to talk a little bit about future here. Pretty cool, pretty cool. You're going to like it. What I'm going to do is read the love note, and I send these love notes out to my list every day. The ones I read now, they're about a year old, but every time I read them, I go, wow, that's really pertinent. Because love doesn't change. I mean, it's the same. Okay, so I'm going to read the love note, then we're going to talk about it, see how it applies to our daily lives. And today's love note is very profound. When humanity's shift in consciousness reaches critical mass, we will no longer live within the paradigm of competition and capitalism. You see, the concepts of competition and capitalism are part of the belief system that stems from the idea that we are all separate from each other and all things, including planet Earth and our source. Now, these concepts are replaced by the ideals of cooperation and abundance for all. It is within the belief system that stems from the idea that we are all one and interconnected with all of life that we understand that what we do for yourself, you do for all others, and what you do for all others, you do for yourself. Now remember that one? It's called the Golden Rule. And that's the way life is going to be as we move more and more into this higher level of consciousness. And I don't know, I'm sure you feel it. If you're listening to these love notes, I'm sure you feel this new awareness that's happening on planet Earth, this interconnectedness that we're all experiencing, how the internet is bringing us all closer together, and how we are moving out of the idea of fear and separation and moving into the idea of love and oneness. And I live in that world now, and I guarantee you, man, there's no comparison. This world of love and oneness and interconnectedness, God, it's so much fun, and it's so easy, and you get to have whatever you want. And I lived in the world of fear and separation for about 40 years, and it sucked. No, I really did. I had a lot of fun, but I tell you, when you compare the two, living in love with the idea that you're interconnected with life, it's just so much more powerful. You empower yourself when that happens, and that's where we're moving. We are moving into that, and so it's pretty exciting to me. And the sooner you start learning the rules of the game at a higher level of consciousness, the sooner it is you'll move into that paradigm, and the sooner you will experience this idea of creating your life consciously so that you can experience whatever you want. Now, that sounds pretty good, doesn't it? Okay, so to help you on the way, I'm here as your source. I'm here to help you learn these immutable laws of the universe. You can start by going to getblueprintformanifesting.com. You can get a free ebook there, 3 foundation pillars. It will start you on your path, build a new foundation for you to grow with, and it's really powerful, and it's free. Just go there, download it. There's an audio too. Start there and use me as your source for self-improvement, conscious creation, stuff like that. So I appreciate it. Hey, hope you enjoyed today's love note. Go out and have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. And until then, live in love.